a small idea about this programmable interrupt controller. What it does, it increase as the 8255 is increasing the port size. It is increasing. It is equivalent to the you are increasing your USB port size from one USB port to 4 USB port using the USB port extender. This 8259 is similar to the 8255, but what is the difference is it is increasing the interrupt signals. If a microprocessor, let us take an example of 8086, it is having the two hardware interrupt signals only, two hardware, that it's having only 2 pins. In 8255 we are having 5 interrupt signals, which is trap, RST, 7.5, 6.5 and 5.5. So if we want to connect more input output devices, so we use this ports extender. We can, if the port is extended in your as in your laptop, if you want to connect more that printer and external devices, pen drive, then you extend your port. But to extend this port, you also have to extend the interrupt signals also, so that each external devices is having its individual interrupt to interrupt the microprocessor. So now it is all inbuilt in your laptop, but in previous microprocessor, this is that is not inbuilt in your laptop, in your processors. So we have to, if we increase the port, then we have to increase the interrupt signal also, because each port IC is required a particular interrupt. As we are seeing here, each port IC is required an interrupt signal for particular microprocessors. So the 8259 is used to increase the interrupt signal. It increase the one interrupt acknowledgement signal and one output signal up to the 8 signals. This works in a master slave configuration. One interrupt acknowledgement signal and one external interrupt request signal is converted in the 8 different interrupt request signals. So by this 8255 we increase the port, by this 8259 we increase the interrupt size of the microprocessor from 2 to 8, from 8 in case of 8085 from 5 to 8. And we can also connect another IC also, which works, I think it is shown here, which works in a master and slave configuration. मैं इसका एक आपको डायग्राम दिखाता हूँ मास्टर स्लेव कॉन्फ़िगरेशन का. Like this. ये जो है, this is the configuration of 8259 master and slave. This is master, this is slave. It increase one signal into 8 signal, then again one signal of 8, this 8259 in another 8 signals. This is having, you can connect up to 8 master slaves in this master. So 8 into 8, that you can increase the interrupt size up to 64, which is one of the question of today's quiz, which you can increase the interrupt size up to 64. So come back to this. So this is, I am leaving to you. You have to read this 8259 IC and get an idea of this. Then I will explain you about this in next, in next class, in our next class.